Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing how to draw Crackshot from Fortnite. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So I'm going to move over to the left side and draw an oval. Starting from the very top, we'll work our way around to the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a large gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of the oval. In the center of each oval, I'm going to draw a small circle for the pupil. Then let's go in and fill those in black. In line with the top of the eyes, we're going to move towards the center and draw a short line going across. Now we're going to take the ends and draw an angled line coming down towards the edge of the nose. And from here we're going to draw a short angled line coming down and in. And then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to draw on the side bevel of the nose. Starting from the top corner on the left, we're going to angle down towards the bottom on the left, and then the right. From here, let's draw on the eyebrows on top of the eyes. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve in and then just pull that down. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now on the inside, just going to round this out. Rounding it out and going back out. Now I'm going to taper this in towards the outside corner of the eyebrow. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Before we draw on the rest of the face, let's draw on the bottom edge of the hat. So we move over towards the left side, we're going to draw a curve. Going up in the middle, and then back down on the right. From the ends, we're going to step in and draw the sides of the head. So we start on the left side, we're going to curve this out. Now we're just going to round out the bottom of the chin coming down in the middle, and we'll work our way back up towards the right side. Let's add in the mustache. Over on the left side, we're going to draw a curve going in and then back out. We'll do the same thing on the right side, going in the opposite direction. Now from the top, we're going to curve around the eye, going out. We're going to pull that up. Now I'm going to taper back down towards the bottom corner of the mustache. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to add the mouth along the bottom of the chin. Starting from the left side, we're going to curve down and then back up. On the ends, we're going to draw two straight lines coming down towards the bottom of the head. Let's add the top row of teeth. So we're going to add 4 teeth. Starting on the left side, we're going to go up and curve it back down. It's almost like a half oval. We're going to do that 4 times, leaving a small gap in between each tooth. Let's add the lower jaw. Starting from the bottom of this line, we're going to angle down and in. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a rounded curve for the bottom. Let's draw the outside of the jaw. We step out and just follow that same angle coming down a little bit further. And we'll connect those 2 points with another curve. Now let's add the bottom row of teeth. So it's a full oval. Starting from the left side, we're going to add 4 of these. Going around. We're adding these directly below the top row of teeth. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the brim of the hat. Starting from the outside corner, we're going to curve out and then just pull that back in. Let's connect the tops with another curve. Just follow that same curve on the bottom of the brim. We're going to work our way up towards the top of the hat. So on the left side, we're going to step in, draw an angled line going up and out towards the left. On the right, now we're going to round this out and come up towards the top of the hat. So rounding out the end, curving up in the middle. I'm going to pull this back down on the right and then round out the corner. At the top of the hat, let's add that pin. So it's a half circle. Starting from the left side, we're going to go up and then back down. Now we're going to add a point. We step up in the middle, start with a point, come down towards the left, and then the right. Let's add a strap across the top of the hat. From the left side, we're going to curve down in the middle, and back up on the right. We're going to draw that twice. We're going to step down, draw an even spaced gap all the way across. Now we're going to move to the side of the head and draw on the hair. So from the bottom corner of the brim, we're going to angle down and out towards the left. Now we're going to angle up in behind the head. We're going to take that and flip it over on the right side. We're going to add another one just below it. From the inside corner, we're going to come down. Then we're going to angle back up and then in. We'll add another one below here. Now on the bottom, we're going to add two smaller ones. Now that we've drawn the head, let's work our way down the body. I'm going to start with the sides of the body. We're going to start at the top left side of the jaw, curve out, and then pull that down towards the hip. Now let's connect these 2 points with a curve, coming down and then back up. We're going to step up and just follow that same curve. Let's add the buckle in the center. So we're going to add a little gap in the center here. On the left side, we'll draw one straight line and then one on the right. Let's add two straps along the body. So we start at the top. Start on the left side with a circle. Move down and draw that same size circle. Do the same thing on the right side. Now in between the circles, we're going to draw two straight lines going across. Let's continue working down with the legs. So in the center, we're going to step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. On the left side, we're going to step in, curve out, and then down towards the left heel. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. So from heel to toe, we'll curve down and then back up. Now from the toe on, draw the top of the foot. So start the tip, we'll curve up. Now I'm going to curve it down, aiming towards the heel. We're going to stop right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to add the strap along the top of the foot. From this point, we're going to angle up and in. Now we're going to follow the same curve going over towards the top of the foot. Now right here, we're going to angle down and out. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's thicken up the sole. So we're going to take this bottom curve, step up, and draw the same thing going across. Let's add the shin pad. From that top corner, we're going to angle up and out towards the left and then the right. Along the top, we're going to draw a short line coming in. Now we're going to draw a short angled line coming down and in. And we're going to come straight down on top of this strap. Now we're going to move back up towards the hip. I want to curve out and down on top of the shin guard, on top of that line. Let's draw on the inside edge of the boot. From this corner, we're going to step down, curve down, and up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to draw a strap coming down on the heel. Along this line, we're going to step in, draw an angled line coming down towards the heel, and we draw that twice. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's add a pocket along the top. From the left side, we're going to curve down and out towards the left side, and then the right. On the upper left leg, we're going to add a strap. Starting just below the pocket, we're going to curve down and then in. Step down and draw that twice. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. I'm going to start with the shoulder strap first. From the side of the body, we're going to step out, and curve out, and we're just going to pull that in just above the belt. About halfway, we're going to add two buckles, two straight lines going across. From the bottom of the strap, I'm going to draw the inside of the arm. I'm going to curve out and then down towards the wrist. Now back on the side, let's start with a thumb. A small half circle. Now at the end of the thumb, we'll draw a small bracket. At the bottom of the thumb, we're going to curve down and up around the bracket. We're going to step down, drawing the second finger, going out and then back up. And then the third finger, we're going to step down, curve around the side of the arm. Now we're going to pull this up and in towards the top of the strap. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Starting with the thumb. For the inside of the wrist, I'm going to curve out and then up. We're going to step up and draw that twice, going across. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's add a little bit of detail to the shoulder. On the left side, I'm going to go down and then up in behind the shoulder strap. Now we're going to add a couple points along the bottom. Starting on the left side, I'm going to start with a curve from left to right. Now from the ends, I'm going to come down with an angled line towards a point. Do the same thing on the right. Start with the top curve. From the ends, we're going to come down and in towards the center point. Now we're going to do one more on the side, but we're going to angle them outwards. So moving over, we're going to draw an angled curve. And from the ends, we'll angle down towards a point. We'll take that and flip it over on the right side. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Crackshot for Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.